In an effort to ensure the safety of Ohio's motorists, the Ohio Bureau of Motor Vehicles is among the first in the nation to launch a vehicle safety recall notification program using the state's vehicle registration renewal process. Through the program, vehicle safety recall information is printed on registration renewal notices, which are sent through the mail and email. Customers will begin receiving open recall notifications beginning in January 2020. Drivers who are not the original owners of their vehicle may not be aware of an open recall or inadvertently dismiss the notification from the manufacturer. Together with stakeholders, the BMV identified this as a severe gap and worked to close it at no cost to customers. An open recall does not affect the ability of a customer to renew their vehicle registration. Customers should check their vehicle identification numbers, or VIN, for open recalls by using the VIN lookup tool on the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website or contacting their authorized dealership. Don't forget to follow all DPS divisions on social media.